You're doing something right now that's quietly destroying your immune system. And honestly, you probably don't even realize it. Here's the part nobody tells you. It's not just winter that makes you sick. It's your daily routine. So let's break down 8 habits wrecking your defenses. Number 1, skimping on sleep. People who sleep fewer than 6 hours are over 4 times more likely to catch a cold. 4 times. Let that sink in. Number 2, loading up on added sugar. The daily limit is just 25 grams for women. Most people blow past that by breakfast. Your gut microbiome takes the hit. Number 3, chronic stress. We're talking weeks of constant pressure. Your natural killer cells, yes, that's a real thing, they basically stop working. You're defenseless. Number 4, sitting all day. No movement means sluggish circulation. Your immune cells get lazy. Seriously. Number 5, smoking and heavy drinking. These wreck your respiratory defenses and gut lining simultaneously. Double damage. Number 6, overtraining. Wait, actually. Yes. Pushing too hard without recovery temporarily crushes your immunity. More isn't always better. Number 7, poor hand washing. Proper technique cuts respiratory infections by up to 21%. Yet most people just rinse and call it done. Number 8, social isolation. Loneliness triggers inflammation over time. Your body actually responds like it's under threat. So your immune system never gets to relax. Here's a question for you. Why did the immune cell refuse to go to the party? Because it didn't want to catch anything. I know. But seriously, small changes this week could rebuild your defenses by next month. Subscribe. Next up, I'm breaking down the 5 foods that actually boost immunity faster than any supplement.